What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something exciting to share with you. So if you guys ever wonder how you can make money online by just sharing links, well, you are at the right place because I'm about to dive into a platform that promises to pay you 23 bucks for every 1000 views. Yeah, you hear that right. So let's get started with our video on highest paying monetized URL shortener. Okay, but before we go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with my latest money making tips and tricks. So I have divided this video tutorial into 5 to 7 sections. So the first section is about platform introduction. I will let you know that what is the platform and some introduction type things. So the second section is about payout rates, because it's very important for people to know that who just want to join a platform but are not familiar with payout rates. It's very important section. I will cover this section in second term of this video. So the third section is about why it's unique. So why this platform is unique, I will be sharing my experience and I will help you to create new account. I already have an account, but I will help you to create new account, and I will let you know that why this platform is unique and why you should join this platform. So our fourth section is about, will your short links get banned on social media or not? It's also very important section because sometimes when you join a platform, money making or like URL shortener, especially monetized URL shortener platform, it's very important to know that sometimes your shortened link gets banned on social media. Yeah, please attention. You must listen that sometime, especially monetized URL shortener platform, when you join a platform, you shorten your link, and when you go to your profile or whatever somewhere on social media, you share your links and your links instantly get banned. But in this platform, it's unique thing that your shortened links will not get banned. I will show you some proof. The links already existing on social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. I will show you links which is already existing on those social media platforms. Okay, so the fifth section is about payment method. Okay, the payment method is very important section, part of any platform, because you do hard work, guys, actually, and when the time arrive when you wanna get payout, so you see that, oh, there is no available platform supported payment method for my country or blah blah. So in the fifth section we will cover this payment method section. Okay, so the bonus point is the sixth section is about lifetime referral bonus. This platform offers you lifetime referral bonus, so you can make more money by referring people, referring your friends, subscribers, or your email list. You can always refer them and you can make extra money and lifetime. So I will cover this topic in the sixth section. The plus point is this platform, which I will introduce you after a few minutes, is going to is going to launch its own PTC platform. PTC stands for uh, pay to click, I think. Pay to click, I think. PTC platform stand for pay to clicks, which means that you can earn money by just clicking links, clicking any kind of task. You just have to click and get paid. So it's very easy work. This platform is going to launch within after a few days, so I will introduce that platform too. So let's move on to the section number one, which is the platform. What is the platform? So here is the platform called ClikErn. As you simply just guess, just the by word, that's ClikErn means just click and earn. So it's the interface of this platform, which is kind of click earn money, create account. You are familiar with these things, but I'm not gonna waste your time. So as you can see, the fastest growing number speaks for themselves. These number already total clicks, these numbers are total links, and these are total register member. Okay, so this is the platform which I've already introduced you, the platform called ClikErn. Now let's move on to the topic, which is payout rate. So let me go back to the payout section, publishers payout rates. So as you can see, these guys are offering $23 for every 1000 views. So as I promised to show you the payout rates, and I have already did a lot of search on highest paying URL shortener, and I have found this platform which is promisingly paying the highest paying monetized URL shortener, which is paying $23 for every 1000 views for desktop and $17 for mobile and tablet views. Okay, so you can see your country if it's available here or not. These are some rates for countries. You can see a lot of countries available. So the worldwide deal is all countries are $1 for desktop, so you can find your country here. And now let's move on to the topic, which is why this platform is unique. For this purpose I have to create an account, so let's create an account. So let's create our account. So let's create our account first. Let me sign up here. So let's say so you have to check this box and click on register. So it might take a few minutes or seconds. So this says your account has been created. Please check your email inbox or spam folder to activate your account. So I'm going to go back to my email section. As you can see, I've just received the email from ClikErn, the highest paying URL shortener, just 0 minutes ago. So I'm going to click on this activation link, and I'm going to check this box, I'm not a robot, and click sign in again. So just for this part of the video, why this platform is unique. So I'm going to show you why this platform is unique. So I have already signed up for this platform, and just copy any link. For demonstration purpose I have just copy this link and just type PTC or whatever you want alias. So I have generated a new link and I'm copy it, and now I'm going to show you why this platform is unique. Okay, this part I'm going to cover this part. So just let me open this link in new tab. So let me show you first. When you click over somewhere on the screen, you're not gonna get pop-up things or annoying ads. You will not be shown any annoying or pop-up ads. As you can see, it's very simple, smooth. Just click I'm not a robot, click to continue. And as you can see, I'm already clicking on the screen, but no pop-up or pop under ads are showing. So this is unique thing about this platform. So here we go, we have got our link. So this is unique thing about this platform. Okay, so now the fourth section is about will your link short links get banned on social media or not. So I'm going to show you some proof. So if I type ClikErn.facebook, ClikErn.com Facebook, as you can see, this guy shares the link ClikErn.com blah 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 in 2021. So this guy shared link on social media and still it's exist. Okay, and other, as you can see, this guy real website work online. So social media, the Facebook don't ban this link. Okay, so as you can see, I have shown you proof. So he'll just check the speed. So as you can see, the links is also available here, and let me show you YouTube. If I type YouTube, so as you can see, the link is also available, and YouTube don't ban this link. So this link is available from 2021, as you can see, 2021, but still exist on YouTube. So YouTube don't ban this URL shortener. Okay, so the next I will show you on Twitter. So as you can see here, this Mohsin Tahir link is not showing here, but let me check if this link is available or not on Twitter. So if I go to Twitter, so if I go to Twitter, I have to find any link here which is about ClikErn. So as you can see, the link is available, this link is already existing on Twitter. So Twitter don't ban this link. It's in 2021. So now I have already showed you the proof that your links will not get banned on social media. Okay, now let's cover this topic, which is about payment methods. So I'm going to show you the payment methods you can wow, available bans. So I think it's a bonus. I think it's a sign up bonus. So now it's very good news. It's a good news for you guys. You can get a sign up bonus, $1 sign up bonus. I think I'm surprised that I'm really surprised that I get $1 sign up bonus. So you can get sign up bonus of $1. So now let's go to payment, from where we can know that payment. Payment settings. I think it's in payment setting somewhere. Here is withdrawal payment methods. So it's a withdrawal method and minimum payout amount. Okay, so for PayPal you need $5, for Paytm you need $5, Skrill $5, Bitcoin $5, web money $5, perfect money $5, bank transfer $100, easy pesa $5. So you can withdraw money from easy pesa, Paytm, PayPal. So these are all payment methods which is suitable for a lot of countries. So I have covered this section, payment methods, and now I'm going to cover this section, which is lifetime referral bonus. So let me go back to my dashboard and let me see if there's some referral section. Here we have, so referral section. The ClikErn highest paying URL shortener program is a great way to spread the word of this great service and to earn even more money by with your shortened links, refer friends, and receive 20%. So you can get 20% of their earning for lifetime. So as you can see, this is a plus point for every subscriber of any platform, that you can earn even more money by sharing your links so that your other people can join from your referral links and you can make more money. So you can earn 20% lifetime earning from your referral commission. Okay, so now I have covered this topic, and now the plus point. So what is the plus point of that platform? So I'm going to introduce you a sub platform of this platform is called PTC. So this is going to be live very soon. So let me go back to the home section if it's available. So as you can see, the PTC platform stands for pay to click. Okay, so if I'm gonna click on this platform, I will be landed on this page said they're coming soon. So thank you for visiting our site. We are currently working on creating a new and exciting online earning opportunity for you. This platform is about PTC, pay to click, where you can earn more money by just clicking. That's why it's called pay to click platform. The platform is going to be live very soon. So that's the plus point of this tutorial of this platform, that you can earn even more money by just clicking any website link or app or whatever. So if you guys have any question about this platform, so please let me know in comment section below. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching guys. Goodbye.